Detailing 101. Hi, I'm Ivan, and this is DIY Detail. Today we're going to look at the many uses of ceramic gloss. Now, the label says spray and wipe. It's pretty simple, everyone knows that one. But there are other ways of using ceramic gloss to your advantage.
Probably a good time to tell them what ceramic gloss is.
Exactly, go right ahead.
Ceramic gloss is a ceramic detail spray. 4 to 6 months of protection. You can use it as a drying aid. You can use it as a standalone sealant. But I think there's 4 other ways to use it as well. And we're going to get into that today. So this is a really easy product to use to protect your paint. Gloss it up, give it shine, give it water beads. And now we're going to show you how to use it in ways you may never have heard of before.
Right. So we're going to spread these tools out and quickly go through every way of applying it.
All right, the most traditional way you're going to use this, we've rinseless washed the panel. It's wet, but it's clean. So I'm going to grab my ceramic gloss, put a spray on the panel, spray or 2 on my towel. Where I sprayed on the panel, I'll deposit the towel, and I'll simply buff this completely dry.
Right.
Easy, fun. I'll go to a dry side. Boom. Got a super slick surface, very shiny. This is the way you are used to using ceramic gloss, but this, folks, is just the beginning.
Next up, you've polished the car. It's a white car. You couldn't see the polish on the car, so I put some on the window. You want to remove that polish residue. You want to protect the car at the same time. A rinseless dampened towel for the first pass on that residue. And then spray ceramic gloss, your finishing towel, and you're done. You're polished, you're clean, and you're protected.
This method is the perforated synthetic decontamination towel method. You've got wet paint from your rinseless wash. So 1 spray of ceramic gloss on your towel, 1 spray on the paint, and exactly where I spray is where I'm going to put the towel. What we're doing here is we are decontaminating the paint and protecting at once, which kind of seems like, how can you do all of that at once? The tiny pores of this towel are phenomenal for that. So no pressure at all. I'm going until I no longer hear or feel that contamination. Ceramic gloss is on the paint, which is great news for the paint. I just miraculously found this towel. Boom. Slick, protected, decontaminated. That, folks, is usage number 3.
The other way of applying it, a lot of people do it this way. Your car's clean, it's dry. 1 spray of ceramic gloss, a little bit on the towel, and buff it to a high gloss shine. And yes, you can use it for cleaning windows.
Similar to Ivan's method, the coating and sealant applicator makes for an excellent approach. Now, if I'm doing this method, I'll usually panel prep the surface first. I'll really just try to get the entire panel clean before I apply this. So it almost reminds me of applying a wax, but really this is kind of the method you're going to use when you apply a coating. You're going to get very redundant overlapping patterns. Boom. You've got the ceramic gloss on the surface, and you just wipe it down clean. I'll just do another spray, another pass, and it does take a little bit longer this way, but it's very rewarding. It's very redundant. You know, you're getting great protection.
Next, and the final method is take your polisher with our rotary jeweling pad, but I have it on a DA, and 1, 2 sprays on the pad, and then we're applying the ceramic gloss with the pad. That's going to do a few things for you. First, you're applying ceramic gloss. That's great. Secondly, the little bit of agitation and the minute amount of cut from this pad is just going to amp up the gloss a little bit more and the slickness even more. No pressure on the machine. You're just gliding it over the surface. Then you take your fragrant plush towel and bring it to a shine. Now, there are a few other ways of using ceramic gloss on your interior. That nav screen that you get all the greasy little buttons on, well, great for cleaning your nav screen. At home, your kitchen appliances, that fridge door that gets those fingerprints on it again. This is a great way of preventing those. Again, not in the food prep areas, but everywhere else, good to go.
All right, just to recap, Ivan, ceramic gloss, in case we didn't say this earlier, goes on after you've washed the car.
Exactly. It is not a cleaner. It is there for protection, gloss, shine, making your car look great. Thanks for joining us. If you have any questions, comments, thoughts, or ideas, please leave them below, and we'll see you in the next Detailing 101.